are made up of stainless steel. Their capacity varies in between 2000 to 90,000 liters. If you go to another unit which is in Dindori region 50 kilometers away from here, you'll get to see bigger tanks with 1 lakh liter capacity. We have one more unit that is in Bangalore. Yes, you can enter inside, but within a minute from the same door we are going to come.
Yeah, the 13 says.
ये आप देख रहे हैं, ये बैरल रखा हुआ है। ये बैरल को कम से कम 1 से 1.5 साल तक यहाँ पे रखा जाता है। इसके अंदर जो वाइन ग्रेप जो होता है, ग्रेप को क्रश करने के बाद जो है इसका लिक्विड फॉर्म में ये यहाँ पे स्टैकिंग किया गया है, आप देख सकते हो। और ये 10 डिग्री के टेम्परेचर में यहाँ पे रखा गया है। और ये इसका फर्मेंटेशन का प्रोसेस है। ये कम से कम 1 से 12 से कम 16 महीने तक यहाँ पे ये फर्मेंटेशन के लिए इस बैरल में रखा जाता है।
For the color, that we will understand what wine you are tasting. Look for the sediments also. If you see any particles inside your glass, that means the wine is not properly filtered. Second S is to swirl. By swirling, air goes inside, the aromas get lifted up. You will be able to properly smell your wine. The third S is to smell. By smelling, you will understand the grapefruit variety. Different grapefruit fruit variety will be giving you different aromas. So you have to smell your wine properly. And the last, fourth S is your all favorite. What you have to do? You have to sip your wine, right? But make sure this is wine, this is not a vodka or tequila shot. So please do not gulp your wine in one go. Just take a small sip, roll the wine nicely inside your mouth and then sip your wine.